to my kitchen. This is a taste for all seasons. We're making banana bread today. It's not something that I usually make, but a friend of mine was visiting and she left a bunch of bananas behind, and I thought, okay, maybe some banana bread. What I love about this recipe, because this is gluten-free travels, of course it's gluten-free, but it's also grain-free. We're using almond flour, so it has some protein in it. It's lighter on the belly, and the bananas are the only thing that we're sweetening this bread with, so it's perfectly sweet. And then I'm going to add some of my personal favorite little secret ingredients that I like to put in muffins and breads that I think you're really going to like. So we'll go over the ingredients and then I will show you how to make it. All right, we have some bananas, of course, almond flour, coconut flour, arrowroot, little baking soda, baking powder, salt. We have some beautiful coconut oil, eggs, lemon, that's really gonna kick it up a notch, as I said. Some almond extract, which is one of my little secret ingredients in this bread, as well as poppy seeds. That just gives it a really beautiful flavor profile. Some vanilla extract as well, and cinnamon. Those are your ingredients. We're going to go over all our measurements. We're using 1.5 cups of almond flour, half a cup scant of arrowroot, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, half a teaspoon of salt, about a teaspoon of cinnamon, you can use a little bit more, up to you. Baking soda, a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder. Poppy seeds, a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. I like to go a little bit on the heavier side with the poppy seeds. And then we're going to just mix all that together. Those are all our dry ingredients. Set them aside. Then the wet ingredients. So we'll start with our bananas. So we peel them. You want to make sure you get all the little threads off. Bananas always have those little threads on them. You want to make sure there's no little stringy bits in there. I like to cut the ends off as well, so you just know that the banana will mash really smoothly. Mash it with a fork or a potato masher if you want to until the bananas start to break down. You'll kind of be able to see that happen. Then you'll add the rest of your wet ingredients, which are 4 eggs, our extracts, our almond extract, which is another little added ingredient that I like to put in, about 1/2 teaspoon, a teaspoon of that. 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, a little more, a little less, depending on your preference. Coconut oil, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and you mix all that into your bananas. And those are your wet ingredients. Just mix those really well till they're blended. Then you will incorporate the ingredients together, the wet and the dry. This is a no mixer recipe, which makes it really easy. So we're just mixing everything in the bowl. Just make sure it's blended really well. I like to use a spatula for this, and just mix everything up. And then we'll put it in our loaf pan that is already set up with the parchment paper. Pour it in. Your oven is already preheated. You're going to pop it in the oven, and that's it. Then just be patient and just wait for your kitchen to just start getting the aroma of beautiful bananas and just some warm comfort food that's really healthy. All right, there you have it. Okay, now the fun part. We get to taste our banana bread. Moist, all the almond is coming through, little tiny little bits of the poppy seeds. You're going to love this. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you give this banana bread a try. Say that 3 times fast. And if you like what we're doing on this YouTube channel, please subscribe, and also visit my website, LoriRicciardoni.com, for gluten-free, grain-free, vegan recipes for every meal and mood. We also send out a monthly newsletter. You can subscribe to my website, and it has a beautiful seasonal recipe every month, along with some great tips in the kitchen and some health benefits. So there you have it. Until next time, bon appetit.